Frog has been at the demolition about 4 hours so far. And this is what our living room looks like. He's making progress. Now the ceiling didn't have the plaster on it. When he pulled up the tiles, he found that, so that saved a little bit. But the rest of this is lath and plaster. That's our pocket doors to the dining room. And here's the pile of stuff awaiting the dumpster to be delivered. Dumpster's going to be right outside that window, so we can just throw stuff out there. Now here's looking back towards the other living room. Yes, this house has 2 living rooms. This wall is going to come down and be rebuilt. It's load bearing, so we can't do without it entirely. But let me show you what's awaiting for that space. Yeah, here's the other room. We're gonna flip that closet door because it's always been weird. It's opened in, which makes the closet basically useless. Here's the other room. All this is coming down. There's our stained glass. And if you see over there, he carefully covered it up on that side with foam board so it doesn't get broken in the process, which I appreciate. I'm going out here on our front porch, which is right now where all the stuff is stored from the living room. We bought these cabinets from somebody who was remodeling. See if I can give you a view. So they're glass, 2-sided. You can see right through them. Beautiful quarter sawn oak. And then we have pillars. So the plan is to rebuild this center wall that divides the 2 rooms with a lot less light blocked off. There's basically not going to be much of a wall. There'll be a header and a beam that goes across. And then each of these walls will be gone and those cabinets will be there with a pillar and the doorway will be cased in. The whole doorway comes down a little bit. It won't be quite as tall, but we'll have a lot of light flowing through this space. It won't be such a division between the 2 rooms. I'm really looking forward to seeing how it comes out. It's gonna be gorgeous. We pondered pulling that. It's actually 2 closets. There's this closet, which is that little funny coat closet, and on the other end of it, if you knocked out the back wall, you would go into the closet for the room on the other side. But if we did that, we'd really be losing a bedroom. And the walls wouldn't line up anyway, so we wouldn't end up with a great big room. We would end up with funniness. So we're leaving it as it is. I do love that doorway. The door is mirrored. It's got the original beveled glass mirror. And once we get it, we're going to strip out all that plaster too and just put probably beadboard or car siding in there. And once this is cleaned up and the door opens out the correct way, that will make a great little coat closet. We'll finally really have a coat closet that works. We've got cardboard down to protect all the old hardwood floors, which have already been refinished. This window is coming out. We've got a replacement ordered from Geldwin. It will be really nice because we've got the new window that faces it. So between the 2 of them, we'll have 2 nice working windows that we could open and let breezes blow through. It's going to be great. I love seeing how fast this is becoming a giant mess because that means